Hi there! We talked about recycling in our last video, so today we'll be showing you how to dispose regular garbage and food waste. Before we begin, if you have no clue what it says on your regular garbage bag says or what the colors mean, leave a comment below and we will let you know. Also, managing directorates for garbage bags differ per district, so please keep in mind that regular garbage bags and food waste bags are not purchasable online. Now then, let's take a look at the regular garbage bag first. You can use regular garbage bags for these types of waste that you see in the picture right now. They can be classified largely into 7 types. Items that are too small to recycle, items that cause machinery defects, non-combustible glasses, contaminated and/or coated papers, contaminated vinyls/plastic bags, sponges, and others. Let's go over each of them. Items that are too small to recycle include things like straws, toothbrushes, disposable forks/spoons, pans, toothpaste tubes, and more. Items that cause machinery defects include things that are made with rubber or silicone and such. Other items include eggshells, potato or onion skins, mirrors, cigarette packs, bones, and such. What I'm about to show you from now on are regular garbages that can be confusing. Non-combustible glasses refer to glasses coated with crystals or chinaware and such. Contaminated papers mean dirty chicken boxes or tissues and/or toilet papers. Coated papers refer to paper cups and cup noodle containers, receipts, enamel, gloss, sleep papers, and papers made with mixed ingredients. Contaminated vinyls/plastic bags are things like dirty plastic bags and/or food wrappers. If you wash and take off stickers from them, they are recyclable. Sponges refer to things like sponge wrappers, sponge washers, and such. Garbage bags come in 7 different sizes: 2 liters, 5 liters, 10, 20, 50, 75, and 100 liters. You might not be sure how big of a bag you will need just by its size. Here's a tip. 50 to 100 liters bags are usually used when you have a massive amount of garbage, such as when you are moving. An ordinary 3-person household would usually use 10 to 20 liters bags. Visit this link and enter the city that you're living in, and you will be able to check the size and price of garbage bags that are available in your area. You can buy them at supermarkets and convenience stores. I will leave the link in the description. Now, let's move on to food waste bags. Food wastes are easy. If it is edible for animals, then it's definitely food waste. Food waste bags come in 5 different sizes: 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 liters. Unfortunately, there isn't a link that you can learn of available sizes and prices per district. Most 3-person households use 5 or 10 liters bags. So, today we learned about how to dispose of regular garbages and food waste. Still have questions? Let us know through comments below. Thank you.